In this video, I'll help you decide whether to use Perplexity or ChatGPT for your research and AI tasks. First, I'm diving into the search and research capabilities where I can see that Perplexity uses a native search architecture to provide real-time information with automatic source citations in every single response. As I scroll down to the conversational abilities, it becomes clear that Perplexity focuses on direct, information-driven responses with a structured flow, while ChatGPT offers a more natural and fluid conversation style that adapts to my tone. Now I'm checking out the Specialized Features table, noting that Perplexity is highly effective for academic research and specialized data visualization, whereas ChatGPT excels at custom GPT creation and multimodal tasks like image and audio processing. In this detailed comparison between ChatGPT search and Perplexity, I've found that Perplexity's research-first approach makes it incredibly reliable for deep dives and exploring multiple perspectives on a single topic. When I look at the pros and cons list, I see that Perplexity provides transparent information gathering and a consistent research-focused design, though it can be slightly less flexible during casual or creative interactions. Moving into the recommendations for when to use each tool, I've identified that Perplexity is my best bet for fact-checking current events and citing academic sources, while ChatGPT remains perfect for creative writing, coding, and general brainstorming. These final thoughts summarize how both of these platforms are essential tools that can significantly elevate my professional workflow depending on the complexity of the task at hand. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.